Hey, what's up guys? It's Foster from SubiSpeed, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you might remember the video series that Yo started about rebuilding the WRX.
It looks great on camera. It looks great in the films that we do. It looks great on the photos that we share with you guys, but is it really great? I'll tell you the truth right now, it isn't.
A lot of the plans he had for changing the car just never really happened. If you want to go check out that series, I'll put a link up above and you can get caught up with all the things he's done to the car so far. The idea is to take the WRX and make it more of a daily driver, because at the moment it's just got a bunch of random parts on it that don't really make it a complete package. I'm going to pick up where Yo left off, and we're going to transform this car on the exterior and the interior and do a couple tweaks so that it's a lot better of a daily driver. So now you know what we're doing. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. The first thing we're going to be doing to the exterior of the WRX is removing this big Varis spoiler. Now don't get me wrong, I think the big wang looks awesome, and if you're building a time attack car or if you just like high quality Japanese products, the Varis spoiler is definitely going to be a great option for you. However, I don't think it really fits for that daily driver that we're going for that doesn't draw too much attention, and so that's why I think it's better if we go ahead and remove it from the car. It looks like it's only about 8 bolts holding it in place, so I'm going to grab my tools and we're going to see how hard this is to remove. All right, the Varis wing is off the car, and now I'm looking at the trunk and it looks a little naked. There's also a lot of holes from the OEM spoiler and that Varis wing, so I ordered in a couple products from OLM to help cover those holes up, and I'm gonna try them on the car now. The first option we have is the OLM trunk hole delete, and the second option I got for you guys is the OLM single point duckbill. So I'm gonna put them on the car, and you let me know in the comment section down below which one you guys prefer, and then we'll go ahead and leave that one on the car. Okay, we got the first option on, the OLM trunk hole delete, and it looks pretty nice. It's nice and subtle. You basically can't even really tell it's on there because it comes paint matched. So I don't know if that's too extreme of a change from the big wing we used to have on there. So you guys let me know down below if you like it or if you think it's a little too subtle. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the duckbill, and we're gonna test fit that one next. As you can see, we have the OLM single point duckbill spoiler installed on the WRX now, and I think this looks really nice without being over the top, which is perfect for a daily driver. But you guys gotta let me know what you think, so comment down below and let me know if we should keep this on the car or not. I also like the fact that this one covers up a couple of the holes in the trunk left over from that Varis spoiler, but unfortunately it didn't cover them all up, so I've got a solution for that. Here I've got a can of the World Rally Blue paint match from Grimspeed, as well as some vinyl stickers, and we're gonna use these temporarily just to cover up those holes so that they're not so much of an eyesore. Obviously at home you won't have to worry about this if you haven't drilled your trunk, but I wanted to go ahead and do something to make it look a little better, so let's see how it turns out. The rear end of the car is looking so much better now that we don't have that big obnoxious GT wing on there, but there's still one more thing I want to do. Older Subaru sedans had a factory roof spoiler option which looked really cool, so I want to try and emulate that on our car as well. I chose the OLM Kaze roof spoiler because it flows really well with the body lines of the car and it comes paint matched, so you don't have to mess with that. Installation is super easy. All you gotta do is make sure that that rear window is clean, and you can either install it by yourself or you can grab a friend to help to make it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna grab Kevin and we're gonna get this on the car. All right, moving on to the front of the car, there's a couple things I want to switch out to give it an updated look. The first thing I want to change is this carbon fiber hood, and I want to go back to our stock hood. Now this might seem like it's a downgrade to you guys, but the reason why I want to do this is the stock hood has a lot more ducting, which is going to help feed air to that Cobb top mount intercooler, so it seems like a good idea. The other reason why I'm going to change it out is because this was a limited run of carbon fiber hoods that we no longer sell on our website, so I figured now's the time to go ahead and swap it out. This is not a particularly hard project to do, but it is a bit awkward, so I'm going to grab an extra set of hands and we're going to get this off the car. Okay, the last thing I want to change out on the front end of the WRX are the headlights. At the moment we have the OLM Hikari headlights in there, but I want to switch back to the SubiSpeed V2s. The main reason why I want to do this is that the SubiSpeed V2 lights are projector based, so we're going to get a little bit more light output for night driving. I'm really excited to see how these look with the new hood, so let's go ahead and get them in the car. All right, let me know what you think of the exterior mods we did to the WRX in this video. And also, if there's anything I missed, make sure you comment down below to let me know. I'm gonna be doing a bunch more of these videos, including interior and wheels and tires, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later.